Well, if you think your spouse might be cheating, simply get out your GPS. A New Jersey court just ruled that it's perfectly legal to do that, but what about the right to privacy? Our legal eagles are here to navigate this one. Joining us now are attorneys Kelly Sandin and Joseph Kilada. Good to see both of you.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
All right, so here were the basic dirty facts here. The wife thought that the husband was cheating. She put GPS in the glove compartment of the car or the trunk, and sure enough, figured it out. Well, then he sued her for privacy, right, Kelly?
You're right. He sued her and the private investigator that she hired, saying that he had no right to track her, that she had no right to track him, and that he didn't know, so it was secret and it was wrong and it was an invasion of his privacy. But the court ruled that that's not the case because she had a legal interest in the car, that she had the ability to track him by doing that, and because the GPS was in the glove box, he should have seen it.
Now, I know that, Joseph, you have a problem with this, and you have a really interesting point that I think is worth debating a lot more than just one segment, which is technology you believe has started to really infringe on our civil rights. In what way?
Well, there's no doubt that privacy advocates around the country weep today and post that ruling. And there's also no doubt that George Orwell's prophetic book has come to pass. Technology is running our lives. It is eroding our fundamental privacy. Indeed, on the way here this morning, you'll know exactly where I was on the thruway coming here, what I purchased at Starbucks, what my children were watching on DVR. There is no more privacy.
But here's the thing, Kelly. If you can already track somebody on their ATM card or through their cell phone, then this ruling is just sort of part of a trend?
Well, yes, you're right. It is part of a trend, but there's no reasonable expectation of privacy. When you're driving around in your car in the city, you can be seen. You can't expect that you're going to be in a private area and people can't see you. It is the same as your ATM. It is the same as a lot of other things. You do not have a reasonable expectation of privacy. So this ruling, I disagree respectfully, is very limited. It doesn't really broaden any rights. All this is doing is solidifying, and it sets up more parameters saying this can only happen if you have an interest in the car. It's not like I can just walk up and stick one on the back of your car, Gretchen, just to track you, because I think you're great. I can't do that.
Joseph, that's the argument here, because you would say that you'd have to go out and get a warrant to put a GPS tracking device on just anyone else's car, right?
Well, look, this judge was presented with a very unique fact pattern that allowed him to avoid the ultimate issue, the issue that's most important to all of us as Americans, which is the placing of this GPS on the car, whether that is an unreasonable search and seizure under the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. There's a case going up to the Supreme Court next year. It's a similar fact pattern, except it's not a wife, it's law enforcement placing the GPS on the car. The court will rule whether or not that's an unreasonable search and seizure, whether or not it's an unjustified police intrusion into our lives, and I suspect that the Supreme Court will rule vastly different than this judge has today.
Very interesting. Kelly, Joseph, both attorneys, thanks so much for your insights. And for our viewers out there, let us know what you think about this. You can email us or Twitter us. Imagine getting paid